Women scientists have been instrumental in the development of science and technology in the country. They have played a significant role even in the war against COVID-19. But somehow, women continue to face several obstacles in moving forward in S&T fields. According to UNESCO, the participation of women in higher education in science, technology, engineering and mathematics has just been about 30%. To bridge the gap, UNESCO instituted the International Day of Women and Girls in Science on 11 February 2015. The aim was to encourage women and bring them forward, thus promoting gender equality in science-related fields. On 11 February this year, the 6th International Day of Women and Girls in Science was celebrated under the theme Women Scientists at the Forefront of the War Against COVID-19. India has been continuously involved in the efforts to promote women in science. There is an increasing emphasis on women's participation in every field of science, from academic institutions to research as well as policy making. Last year, on the lines of DST STEM portal, a separate single-window online portal for women was created for scholarships and career counseling of women. Schemes like Vigyan Jyoti at the school level, Gender Advancement Transforming Institutions or GATI were also launched. Furthering these efforts, the Department of Science and Technology's Science and Engineering Research Board (SERB) announced the Women Excellence Award 2021 on February 11th. The awards have been conferred to Dr. Shobhana Kapoor of the Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay, for her exceptional work in the field of chemical biology. Dr. Antara Banerjee of the National Institute for Research in Reproductive Health, Mumbai, for her outstanding work in the field of health sciences. Dr. Sonu Gandhi of the National Institute of Animal Biotechnology, Hyderabad, for her exceptional efforts in the field of bio-nanotechnology. And to Dr. Ritu Gupta of the Indian Institute of Technology, Jodhpur, who has been selected for her outstanding efforts in the field of nanotechnology. The awardees will each receive a grant of 15 lakh rupees for a period of 3 years to pursue their research ideas. It is a one-time award given to women scientists who are below the age of 40 and have received recognitions like Young Scientist Medal from any one of the national academies. The award aims to bring gender equality in the science-related fields in the next few years.